Greetings from the Bahamas, and that is a look at Ocean Cay. But let's step back on board the ship and take a look at the water options that are available for fun and leisure in Aquapark on MSC, that's Mediterranean Shipping Company, their original name. And here is a look of the slides, and you can walk above the ocean. Yeah, there is a setup where you can rope walk. Pretty exciting experience, I think, if you've never done that type of walk before, and then doing it over the ocean. Now, when you walk up to the park, like, looks like a kiddie park, little pool. But indeed, all are welcome, and I have ridden on the slides. Didn't know where to board the slides and couldn't tell how many of them there were. There are 4 different options to slide on. Here we have 2, and those are with tubes, and I'll explain that in a second. And then there is your body version going down a slide. Where do they spit you out? Let's take a walk on over, and it'll all make sense. It twists and it twirls, and there's no additional fee, but there will be a sign-up person sitting right there where you will sign a waiver that says that you have read the disclosures and get a wristband. But there's no additional fee. If you see everyone lining up over there, that is just because they have to get the wristband, and you only have to do that once, but if it falls off, they will give you another. The experiences are very different. I actually preferred the slide with the tubes. If you go up even higher, then you can go full body down. I enjoyed the ones with the tubes, not to give it all away, but when you're in the darker portion of the tube, you are indeed going down the slide in the dark. All in good fun. And that is a look on deck 19. Some of your water options a little quieter because everyone is on the island of Ocean Cay, most notable for the Lighthouse Light Show, which takes place later this evening. Till next time, keep exploring.